Shahjalal was born in Turkey in the early part of the 14th century. His body now lies within the precincts of the Dargah Sharif, near the Ambarkhana area of Sylhet. The Dargah Sharif or Mazar is a complex which consists of a mosque, madrasa, children's orphanage, catering facilities for the city's poor and needy, and of course the tomb of Shahjalal and other prominent Muslim figures from the region and beyond. It is widely understood by most Muslims that the veneration of the dead is considered sacrilegious and is discouraged in mainstream Islamic belief. However, some visitors to Shahjalal's tomb believe that their prayers will be answered by offering them beside his grave.
On top of this hill lies the tomb of Shahjalal. Every year, hundreds of thousands of pilgrims come to pay homage to this once great mujahid of Islam in Bengal. It's considered a blessing by some Muslims to be buried near Shahjalal in this cemetery, just as it's a blessing to be buried in Medina, in Jannat al-Baqi, or in Jerusalem near Masjid al-Aqsa. It's said that Shahjalal came from a place called Konya in Turkey and travelled down through the Arabian Peninsula and reached Yemen, where he then set sail along with 360 of his disciples or followers and settled in Hindustan, where eventually he came to Sylhet. Visitors to Shahjalal's tomb are encouraged to recite verses from the Quran as signposted here in Bengali. One of the legends of Shahjalal is that when he came to Sylhet to defeat a Hindu king, he turned their black magicians into these fishes right here. And now today, pilgrims who come to visit his tomb feed them.
It is important to understand that Shahjalal came into the Sylhet region of present-day Bangladesh whilst the population was predominantly Hindu, and thus some of their practices have influenced Muslims of this region. Today Sylhet is a vibrant city, the beating heart of Islam in Bangladesh, with small Christian and Hindu minorities. As it seeks to economically develop alongside Dhaka and Chittagong, Sylhet will forever be known for its famous Sufi warrior.